Hi there. This is a quick video to show how to use Xlookup. So I'm going to put my cursor on cell C3. I'm going to insert a function. I'm going to select the Xlookup. It needs a lookup value, so that will be the amount spent in this case. It needs a lookup array for where we're going to look that value up. So that's going to be B12 to B18. But I have to make sure I make that an absolute so that it doesn't think the table or the range is slipping down the page when I later make copies of this formula. So I'm going to press function F4, and that's going to put in all of the dollar signs, all 4 of the dollar signs that I need. Then I need a return array, and that's going to be this series of percentage amounts. Again, that has to be absolute, so I'm going to press function F4. And I need one more thing. I need to set a match mode, and a match mode in this case is going to be -1, which means if it doesn't find an exact match, it will select the next lower value. I'm going to click done, and so far it looks correct. I could fill that down now, or I could wait and do all 4 of these formulas later, all in one fell swoop. So the discount dollar amount would just be equals the amount spent times the 7%. So I get a $15 discount. So my resulting price after the discount is going to be equals the original amount minus the 15 or so dollars, giving me that amount. And now I'm over here under customer status, and again it's an Xlookup, so I'm going to insert that function. Again, I'm going to use 220, the amount spent, as my lookup value. I'm going to look it up in the same range that I did previously, and I need to make that an absolute, so I press function F4, and the return array is going to be different this time. So this is going to be F12 through F18, and I'm going to make that an absolute as well, function F4. And again, I need to use the same match mode of -1. And when I press enter, it says silver. So now, if I've done everything correctly, I should be able to select all 4 of those formulas, grab the fill handle, and it should fill down correctly. If it doesn't fill down correctly, it could be because some of the absolutes, the dollar signs that were necessary on the lookup arrays or return arrays, were not set. So you might want to go back and look at that if something looks wrong out of the fill down operation. Okay, and that's it. Thanks very much.